Hello! It's Mama Mo, mga anak. I just wanted to remind you, Father's Day is coming up soon, and I have a few food ideas that you can either prepare or buy for them, or maybe even make together with them, just for some special bonding moments. And for some of us who are honoring the memories of our fathers, maybe we can enjoy their favorite meal and think of those fond memories. Are you liking all the food that you've seen? Make sure to hit the like button. So make sure that you treat your dad or the special father figures in your life very special on Father's Day. Make sure to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.